Yo guys, so we've been getting a lot of questions on just the basics of how to use the PD script, the cookie script they developed. So it's just going to be a visual walking you through it. First step you're going to want to do is download TamperMonkey, which is a Chrome extension that will allow you to run the script that they have. So once you get that downloaded, it'll pop up here. Click on it, and then dashboard. All your installed scripts will be here. It may be empty now, that's fine. So this is the link to download the PD script. So click on it and then press install. Then you can go back to your dashboard, refresh, and it should be right here. At this point, you're going to want to download a proxy switcher. So we recommend BP proxy switcher. And the reason for this is you can only generate so many cookies per IP on foot sites or Yeezy Supply, for example, before you'll eventually get banned from creating cookies. So this is just a workaround for that. So BP proxy switcher is what we use. It's the best, really. Any proxy switcher works though. So when you have that installed, click on it, go to edit, and then I already have my list pulled up here. You can use Resi if you want. There's no reason to use Resi though if you have unbanned DC available. Resi will just eat through your plan, and it's also a bit slower. So once you have that, press OK. And then auto rotate every 60 seconds. This is super important. If you don't do this, it's not going to work. And then press start again from the top. So once you have that started, you're going to go to whatever site you want to generate cookies for. So let's just go with Foot Locker, for example. If you want Foot Action, go to Foot Action. Eastbay, go to Eastbay. This is your status. Once you see this count going up here, so you can see this counting up. Once this is going up, it's working. There's nothing else you have to do. You can leave it here, minimize this tab, and just come back to it later. So once you have, let's say you only want 8 cookies, just press save. It'll download. And this is the file that you're going to import into PD, into their cookie jar. And there's not really much else to it. So it's pretty explanatory. As long as you follow this video, you should be good. But if you have any more questions or any errors, at the bottom of the tutorial that PD has, they have a few errors here. Make sure you don't go over 4,000 cookies. That'll take a while to generate anyway, so chances are you won't reach that anyway. So any questions, just drop them in Discord and we'll get back to them.